I was gifted these dog silicone ice molds by the brand. They sent the French Bulldog and the Dachshund, and they both come in a set of 2. They're super easy to fill, and they have a nice flat bottom, so they'll sit really nicely in your freezer with little to no risk of falling over. Removing them from the molds was very, very easy. You just have to peel them off. The cubes themselves come out with a lot of detail, no sharp edges, and I love how thick they are, so they're going to melt nice and slow in your drink. Perfect for your holiday parties, for kids' drinks, or just for a great conversation starter. Super easy to clean. You can use these over and over again. Makes a great gift.